Hello and welcome to this training video on informed consent form, master clinical terms agreement, and insurance agreement guidance for early visibility studies. Documents presented in this training support critical steps of EFS setup, in particular ethical, contractual, and insurance preparation. They are intended to be used alongside HEU EFS guidance and aim to support efficient, consistent, and compliant preparation of early visibility studies across the European Union. They are in line with the MDR, the Medical Device Regulation, the applicable standards, and the Declaration of Helsinki, and finally, the good clinical practice. I will start with the informed consent form, or ICF. For early visibility studies, informed consent is particularly important due to the early stage of device development and the higher level of uncertainty regarding safety and performance. To support this process, two complementary tools are provided: an ICF template and ICF checklist. The ICF template provides a structured and standardized basis for drafting participant-facing consent documentations. It is particularly intended to support sponsors, including small and medium-sized enterprises. They may not have established internal templates or excessive documentation resources. The template helps ensure that information provided to participants is clear, comprehensive, and aligned with ethical and regulatory requirements applicable to early visibility studies. The ICF checklist, in the other hand, supports internal quality checks by helping sponsors and investigators verify that all mandatory and recommended information elements are included in the consent documentation. In addition, the checklist facilitates updates on informed consent when new safety, performance, or clinical relevant information become available during the study, ensuring that participants remain adequately informed over time. I will now move to the Master Clinical Terms Agreement, or MCTA. Rather than providing a contract template, the HEU EFS developed an MCTA checklist to support drafting and review of contractual arrangements between sponsors and clinical investigation sites in the context of early visibility studies. This approach recognizes that many sponsor and clinical sites already operate under existing corporate, national, or hospital-specific contract templates and single standardized agreement would often be impractical. The MCTA checklist therefore serves as a flexible support tool, helping ensure that all EFS-specific contract elements are addressed. These include, for example, roles and responsibilities, safe reporting obligation, liability, indemnification, data ownership, confidentiality, publication right, and staff qualifications. By supporting early alignment between parties, the checklist can help reduce delays and misunderstanding during the study setup phase. Finally, I will briefly introduce the guidance on insurance agreements. Insurance coverage is mandatory for early visibility studies. However, insurance contracts are typically non-negotiable and based on standard terms defined by insurers. For this reason, instead of standardized template, guidance has been developed to support sponsors and investigators in assessing whether the proposed insurance coverage is appropriate for the specific risk profile of an early visibility study. The guidance focuses on key aspects such as the scope of coverage, insurance parties, exclusions, claim procedures, and duration of protection, and supports consistency in insurance review across different jurisdictions. In summary, these supporting documents are a practical tool developed to facilitate the ethical, contractual, and insurance preparation of early visibility studies. They support more efficient EFS submission and review, helping reduce uncertainty and delays during the study steps. Thank you.